buy, sell, or hold. I know. So buy means, you yes. Sell means no. You're running away. Hold means neutral.
Buy what exactly?
I'm going to tell you what you're buying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Cool
so
stuff.
just tell you, when buy means you're in for it. Sell
Okay.
means you're not. Hold means you're neutral.
Mm-hmm.
So buy, sell, or hold these currencies. So tell me the ones you're buying, the ones you would sell fast, and the ones you would hold. Dollar, euro,
Buy, sell,
naira, renminbi.
hold.
So tell me, dollar.
Buy dollar,
Okay.
sell euro, hold naira,
Hold Naira.
buy renminbi.
Buy renminbi. Interesting. I like that.
Okay. What were the currencies?
Dollar,
Okay.
euro, naira, renminbi.
I'm selling Naira. I'm throwing it away.
Hater.
Wow.
I am pro Nigeria.
I love the assets. I don't like the currency.
Okay.
You
go
can't
That's
eat
what I
your
would
cake
say.
and have
Okay.
it.
That's what I'll say.
Choose
You
your
know,
battles.
I'll sell dollars. I'll buy euros and I'll hold renminbi.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm short. I'm
Why
short.
though?
I'm short dollar
That's
long
curious.
euro. I think Germany wins all this. Germany comes out winning.
I don't think so.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
yeah,
not
stronger.
really-
100%. Yeah, Europe
I think they're
comes.
struggling. Factories are
Europe comes
shutting
out.
down.
No.
though.
Yeah, but
No,
they're going through this huge fundraising, militarization, infrastructure spending. I'm actually long DAX, so I'm long DAX,
Including France.
long DAX, long German cement companies, long Honeywell. Sorry, I'm not giving any stock names. But I'm long, long German companies. Yeah.
Selling Naira and renminbi. Naira for volatility, renminbi because they will continue to devalue the renminbi. I would hold the dollar generally because it's still the
Even
value.
if-
Remember,
Trump
hold
wants
doesn't
weaker
mean
dollar.
hold, like you're keeping it. You're neutral.
Yeah, I'm neutral
You're
on,
neutral.
on my. So I have bought dollar. I will still keep the dollar I'm holding.
Yeah.
I'm holding it. The currency I would want to start to buy is euro. The eurozone.
What did you say about Naira again?
I sell
Sell.
Naira,
Ah,
sell,
selling
sell
Naira.
Naira and renminbi, and
So you're not selling to
so
hold,
this
you're
is
selling to-
not an issue against the Naira per se, because I'm selling the Chinese currency also, but it is really around the volatility around both of them. The eurozone is the one that is going to be the emerging candidate, while the dollar is my stability.
Okay. Ola,
Portion.
next buy, sell, or hold.
Okay.
Oil prices closing below $60 this year.
That's yes or no, right?
Like closing below $60
Yes,
this year.
60 years. Ah,
Buy, sell, or hold.
So if you buy, it means you expect it to
Yes,
close.
yeah.
bye.
You think?
Yeah. Because even make America great again is still going to
It's
increase
anti-oil.
supply. It's anti-oil.
Yeah, it doesn't work out. Doesn't work out. Yeah, it doesn't work out for us.
Supply,
It doesn't
yeah.
work out for Nigeria, man.
It's increased supply.
I'm selling oil. Oh, sorry, I'm buying oil closes below 60
Yeah.
because I'm short Naira. So, and oil closing below 60 is one of my reasons for selling Naira.
Did you always have this? Did you always have this view here?
Well, Naira?
No,
Yeah.
like oil prices
price.
going below $60.
No, I knew oil was going to close softer, but I really just started to look at the implications of tariffs and how that affects global consumer demand.
Yes.
And when you see how that weakens, if everything actually works out with all the tariffs, everyone tariffing everyone, the demand for oil goes
So
down.
we can-
And then oil production.
Exactly.
Yeah. So I've been sure.
It kind of sounds like you guys are saying buy because it seems like you really want oil prices down because of what.
I don't think anybody wants it down.
It's
I
not
think
like
it's
we
just
want.
goes
It's
down.
just
For
what
fuel
it
prices.
is.
Yeah.
It's just
just
what
goes
it
down.
is, right? If there's going to be increased supply, if
Yeah.
people are going to, if there's so much
Less
drama
demand,
and
more
there's less
supply.
demand,
Yeah.
right? It's just
economics.
where it is.
Leaders
right?
of OPEC
Tunji,
are
are you
in
buying that
alignment
as well?
with Trump. There is no way that Trump or crude oil ends above $60 this year.
So that's a buy.
I'm having a headache.
There is no way.
All right, guys. Still on. Buy, sell, or hold. I know we've done this before, but I think things have a little bit changed. So I want to just know where this gentleman, where their headspace
Okay.
is in. Buy, sell, or hold. The exchange rate would depreciate to 180 this year.
We've had this conversation before.
1,800.
Yes, this year.
It will touch or it will stay there.
Stay there. Close. Touch.
It won't
Touch.
Okay,
Oh,
we'll
touch.
touch. It will touch. Okay, bye. If it can touch now, it's not hard at all.
Yeah.
You will touch
We have money to shock it back, but they will let it slide a little.
to 1.8. I know.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, it goes back to oil, right? We can't figure out our oil production. And then oil prices.
At what point do you
160.
guys think it's going to hit 180? Because I already need 2G's answer. So there's
I think maybe in a few weeks
Tunji
we'll
is
see it.
obviously buying
Few
this.
weeks?
Yeah, in a few
no,
weeks, man.
No,
Okay.
How about?
All right.
How about? The CBN is more robust than that. You
Amen.
guys,
Amen.
give us
20
credit.
billion. Are you
When do you think
disrespecting
it's
our
gonna be
20
more?
billion?
23 billion.
Around what period?
23.
Around what period you guys think it's
Don't
gonna
disrespect the
2
three.
to 3 months.
be? So this quarter?
Yeah, but this quarter is just starting. There's a very high chance.
Watch it open at 1.7 tomorrow.
No,
Because it can easily just get to 1.7.
Yeah, it was like 1.6 something the other day. Man. It was like, yeah, over the 1.7.
But we have 20 billion. Sha.
Amen.
Tunji, when do you think it's going to
Amen.
happen?
I think early Q3. Especially if this continues to
don't
play
resolve
out.
these
because
things,
China
yeah.
is not
but
going
Trump
to back
just
down.
decided to suspend tariffs for 3 months now. 9
Except
days.
China. Everybody else that is suspended doesn't matter in this conversation. It is China.
Are we talking about Naira?
No, so he said
no,
he's
fine.
trying to say that the
Okay.
world can recover.
All right. Buy, sell, or hold. Equities
What country?
No.
Okay.
in general. I'm going to get to country in a bit.
Okay.
Calm down.
Drink
Buy, sell, or
water.
hold. Equities. Gold.
Okay.
Naira fixed income.
Hmm.
Dollar fixed income. Crypto. Hold cash. So that's 6. So I'll just help you.
Okay.
Equities. In general.
Buy, sell, hold.
Whether it's US or whatever. Equities.
Hold.
Gold.
Will I still buy?
100%.
Aye.
Gold is the winning asset in this game.
Fixed income Nigeria.
Buy.
Fixed income US.
US Treasury. No.
Sell.
Sell.
Crypto.
Sell, big sell.
Hold.
Cash.
Cash is always king. Go buy. Always. You know, say he said I'll keep buying. It's not
Amen.
liquidity they used to buy.
No, equities.
Equities, it's like hold to buy. Reduce buy. Reduce buy.
You just
I was-
come with
No, I was a
different
strong
things.
buy, but I'm saying reduce, but it's still buy.
Soft buy.
So there, soft buy, hold to buy.
Gold.
It was strong buy.
Fixed income
Extremely
Nigeria.
strong buy. I think gold wins in all this. Fixed income Nigeria, yeah, high yield
I mean,
bonds.
you were in
yeah,
Abuja the other day for
yeah.
Yeah.
yeah. I like
So-
our
Arnold
money
has not told us
markets.
about that meeting. by
I
the
like
way.
our money markets. Yeah,
fixed
yeah.
income dollar.
US Treasuries. See, I'm split, but I'll park my cash in short-term Treasuries. Yes, cash goes into short-term
that's a buy
Treasuries.
for you.
Yeah.
Crypto.
No.
Sell.
For what? No.
Cash.
Cash. What currency?
Whatever currency.
Dollars. Yeah, hold dollars.
Wow. Tunji. Equities.
Hold to buy.
Buy. No, so my equity position isn't strong. So I'm taking advantage of this bearish market to really ramp up my position. So,
Man,
yeah,
I hope it works
Gold.
out well for you.
gold and
They will.
buying. I'm looking to buy.
Fixed income
I'm really
Nigeria.
looking
It's a
to
strong
buy.
buy.
I'm really
So
Fixed
I want to
income
understand why
Nigeria.
everyone's so slow. Everyone's so slow to gold. Where for me, gold
no,
makes sense.
it's the opportunities,
We've
right?
talked about
So
how
I-
central banks have doubled the rate of
Reserves.
gold they're buying.
No.
Yeah, it's up to gold now
I don't think
amounts
it's
to
complicated. I think a
20%.
lot of people.
No.
And we're going through a demonetization where
So what-
dollar is not seen. Everyone's worried about the dollar.
yeah.
So naturally,
No, don't be surprised. The opportunities to buy gold are usually the trading. If you buy gold properly,
Yeah.
or ETFs,
yeah,
is not that available to many people.
okay,
If more people had the opportunity, because I told you, I mean, after
Yeah.
this conversation, we'll have a conversation about
Yeah.
how I can get it.
Yeah.
I want to buy gold heavily.
okay,
All right. Fixed income.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. I mean, our yields are still high, so yeah.
Fixed income US.
Yeah,
You think
hell
Nigeria
no.
defaults?
Hell no.
You think Nigeria
And
defaults?
They will
Nigeria
print
doesn't
cash
do-
now.
Crypto. That's
Crypto heavy.
Cash.
Cash.
Do you want to keep any cash at all?
No. So
Sell
she's
cash.
talking about liquidity. All my liquidity is going to assets. I'm buying everything.
assets.
I'm buying everything. I don't want. So I'm not that person. You know, I know that I've said this in the past, and I know that somebody is going to probably pick up one of my videos from, 10 years ago and say, Tunji, you said this 10 years ago. I've changed my position. I've changed my position. You don't sit around with cash waiting for opportunities. You continue to buy, and then the opportunities will come.
Very
on its way.
correct.
All right,
actually.
final buy, sell, or hold. Ola, Donald Trump
Yay.
Gosh.
versus Z. Who you buying? Who you selling? Who you holding?
Which kind of question is this?
it's hard.
Yeah.
Hold on, both.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with her as well. I don't know how this thing ends, man. I just have to make sure I'm okay. Just be okay.
Be okay.
Yeah, just be
Who you
okay.
buying? Who you selling? Who you
And this is going to shock everybody. Z wins.
so you're buying Z?
Z wins. Trump knows, and that's why Trump is fighting. The one person Trump is fighting is Z.
Yeah.
Z wins. And
All
Z
right,
knows he has
guys.
the power.
But I'm not gonna let everyone go without also dropping a little bit of what is in their portfolio at the moment. I think I've got a few guys asking me, what are you guys really buying? Like, what's in your portfolio? So let's just go around the table. I'm gonna start with Arnold and ask him, what's in your portfolio at the moment?
What's in my portfolio?
Yeah.
Let me see how honest. I'm trying to figure out how honest I should be.
Nigerian stocks. Just tell,
okay,
name
just
names. I
general.
I want
Or you want
names.
name of the stocks?
Yeah, I want names. Yeah.
So I mean, my portfolio crosses across. So stocks, money markets.
So what Nigerian stocks are in your portfolio?
Zenith,
Just
GTCO,
name a couple.
Unilever, Lafarge, Yokomo, Presco,
There are very few
Fidelity.
stocks in Nigeria.
Geez, I have quite a bit. Yeah, I mean,
Any
I'm
US stock in your portfolio?
US stocks, yeah. So I started trimming, but I had Nvidia, I've got UGL, I've got Goldman Sachs Bitcoin ETF. I had, I started trimming a lot today, I'll be honest. This is I started trimming quite a bit today to just roll into the Goldman Sachs physical gold ETF. I hold some gold futures as well, quite heavily. Anything UK, I hold some UK stocks,
Really?
Barclays.
That's so cute.
Hold UK stocks.
Wow.
Happening there.
It's if I have to list it, let the tax man not
What's
come
your
for me.
portfolio?
So I have a mix of stuff. Nigerian stocks, pretty much like you were listening. Those are the stocks.
Same
Those
thing,
are the
yeah.
only
All the
stocks.
same thing. That's all right. Yeah.
And then for the big tech, US, the big tech, of course, Nvidia. Everybody.
Man, I
knows
sold all
Nvidia.
my Nvidia
Magnificent
today.
Seven.
I was out. I had enough today.
Exactly.
Yeah, I bought that today, though.
Man, you guys, I had enough,
Really?
man.
I would like
So
to know
don't you
why.
think there's a US tech versus China tech play happening where US tech loses?
Absolutely.
This is what I woke up thinking today. So I just sold everything I haven't looked into it yet, but I think there's a big tech play coming now. And I think that,
So
sorry,
the tech
I
might
cut you
not
off.
the tech might not be what you're looking at, but when it comes to solid hardware tech,
Yeah.
US loses.
US
Yeah, US loses, right?
Yeah, by a
production
long margin.
capacity.
Yeah.
What else?
So yeah, that's for Nigeria. US, I have a lot of Vanguard ETFs.
Okay, yeah, so that's another
Vanguard
one. Yeah, of
ETFs,
course. Hold
and
on.
then apart from those stocks,
Yeah.
I have African real estate
Oh.
outside of Nigeria from the club,
Physical real estate or
Real
physical
estate.
What,
estate?
Africa, what countries?
Nairobi.
Interesting. How come?
How
Is it
comes?
rental income good?
Yeah.
What's the rental income in
Rental yield. What's the yield like?
yeah, rental yield?
7-8
Dollars,
dollar
USD?
terms, yeah.
But isn't that similar to what you have getting? Okay, you get probably 5-6 in Nigeria.
Yeah,
You
but
don't
your
in
entry point-
USD. You don't get that in Nigeria at all. There's no rental yield in Nigeria real
Okay,
estate.
There's no
rental
Nigeria,
yield in
there's no
Nigeria real
rental yield
estate.
in Nigerian real estate.
You don't
And
get
then
our currency. You only get it in Ghana, and now I'm finding out Kenya. Ghana is hard.
Wow.
Yeah, you don't. Nigeria real estate is
You don't
pants.
get rental yield.
It's pants.
No,
It's
horrible.
pants. I've
It's
looked at it
horrible.
over and over
It's
again. It's
horrible.
pants.
Especially with devaluation and-
Yeah, I was
Okay,
wondering like,
so
why would
what's
you
your
rent?
portfolio?
So I am aggressively buying 3 equities in Nigeria. I feel like I don't have enough.
What are they?
GT.
I knew he was going to say GTV.
No.
I
It's
just
such a
knew.
crowded trade. We all hold GT. What happens now?
Yeah, I wonder.
GT, Dangote Cement, and also there's one more that I just want to leave that to is something I discovered.
You don't want us to go in there.
Yeah, that one. No, that one.
So there's something really interesting in my portfolio that I don't really talk about. Is I'm short US Treasuries,
How you
and I'll
do
talk about that in the
that?
next episode. I'm short US Treasuries.
All right, guys.
Short US Treasuries.
Wait. Let me finish my.
Allow him
sorry.
speak.
My US position. My US
Go on,
position
go on.
is I'm buying everything
Hey.
that is around giving capacity to AI,
Oh,
not
such a
necessarily
wow.
NVIDIA.
So why not just buy ETFs?
ETFs.
Yeah.
I like ETFs and I like what they present, but my core strategy is ownership.
Okay.
I'm not just looking for yields. I'm looking for ownership, long-term ownership. I'm looking. So my context is I've been able to scan the world.
You just want to call yourself shareholder of
No.
Tesla.
So I've scanned the world, and I'm able to place where the winners 10 years from now are going to be. So I'm placing myself in those places, and it's the same thing with
Surprised
Nigeria.
nobody said BYD. Anyway, guys, this has been Drinks
It's
and
not
Mics.
easy to buy.
Bye
me.
now.
I've never looked at it.
Let us know what is in your portfolio. It'd be interesting to know what you have in your portfolio. At the same time, do share with us your Ponzi stories. What has been if you got any Ponzi stories and why you got into the Ponzi, we would love to know here on Drinks and Mics. This has been Drinks and Mics episode 15, right? And it's been an engaging session, and it's been
Very engaging.
amazing having Ola on the show today. We've
for
got a
having
lot of
me.
stuff to talk about.
Keep the
Thank
comments
you so
coming.
much for being a part of this. Until we'll do
My
this
sanity.
again next week. Do have a profitable week ahead. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Oh.
yes.
Can we cheers with water? I don't know.
Of course, it's not a glass.
Good luck.